Welcome to our immersive production environment, SmartStage. Here in SmartStage, the content's actually here. I can see it, interact with it, and create meaningful, engaging content by creating a connection with my surroundings. We don't need any experience to use SmartStage. We can just walk in, see the content, zero rehearsal, and use the space. Here you see I've got a panel of experts from Whitelight who are going to help me answer some questions about how the solution was built. So maybe we can take a question from the audience.
Okay, so what does the environment actually look like?
Good question. Let's get Harry to answer this.
Hey, so you're effectively stood inside an LED box, but the experience of the end user is just so much more. Where there are physical pixels on the LED wall, our solution pushes content to them for the brains to see, and then we add a virtual 360-degree set extension so the camera can move around freely and explore the space. Andy can see all of the remote participants on the walls around him and on a giant monitor, and that allows him to converse and to respond to any questions there may be.
Great answer. Thank you, Harry. Probably do one more question from the floor.
Okay, so what are the benefits of this versus a green screen system?
Very good question. Yeah, we get asked that a lot, and there are quite a few advantages. So let's start with Lee.
Thanks, Andy. Well, the main advantage is content is actually there. Andy's now facing me and looking at me. I'm looking at Andy. We've got natural eye line. We've got natural engagement with each other because the content's real. So it's a lot easier to converse and a lot easier to work closely with each other when you can actually see each other.
True. Yeah.
Can I just add there, because the users can see the content on stage, there's no training or rehearsal. Their focus becomes the content, not the cameras that are actually filming them. And because there's no green screen keying, there's no wardrobe or lighting issues to contend with either in our solution.
Yeah, very good points, Chris. Thank you. So we've got the facilities in Westminster, South London. We can deploy mobile solutions very quickly. It provides an ideal solution for anybody that needs to do a remote streamed presentation, whether that's education, corporate communications, or training. They can be deployed in locations that aren't studios. We can put them pretty much anywhere, and we can scale them to suit different size spaces as well. They can be cleaned between each use, and they need minimal staff to operate them. You can even drive it yourself, or we can manage them remotely if necessary as well. So if you think SmartStage can help you in these challenging times, please feel free to get in touch with us here at Whitelight. We look forward to speaking to you.